Good morning everyone. Today we are learning a new concept, that is the distance of a point from a line. That is how to find the distance of a point P x1 y1 from a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means this distance PQ. We can calculate the distance PQ by using the formula. So PQ equals, replace x and y with this point x1 y1, that is a x1 plus b y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So this is a new formula where we can calculate the distance from a point to a line. Okay, so please try to learn this formula. PQ equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. And today let us try to answer some questions related to this formula. So see the first question. So the question is, find the distance of the point P 2 minus 3 from the line 2x minus 3y minus 25 equals 0. Distance means always it's a perpendicular distance. So we have to calculate PQ. So the method is, replace x and y with this given value. So 2 into 2 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 25 by root of the square of 2, that is 2 square plus square of minus 3, a square plus b square. Now on simplification, 2 into 2 4 plus 9 minus 25 by root of 4 plus 9 equals 13 minus 25 by root 13, that is minus 12 by root 13. Since it is a distance, we take only the absolute value. So PQ equal to absolute value of minus 12 by root 13, that is 12 by root 13. So finally we have to take only the positive answer. Okay, so the method is, replace x and y with the given point and calculate the distance by using the formula. Alright, now see one more question. So the question is, find the distance of the point P 4 1 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. So we have to calculate this perpendicular distance PQ. So first you have to replace this x and y with this point 4 1. So 3 into 4 minus 4 into 1 minus 9 by root of 3 square plus 4 square. This is actually minus 4 square, so also 4 square. Same, 12 minus 4 minus 9 by root of 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So 12 minus 4 minus 9, so 12 minus 13 by root 25. So minus 1 by root 5. So again negative sign is there, so we have to take PQ as the positive value, that is absolute value of minus 1 by 5. So it is 1 by 5. So distance is 1 by 5. See the next question. A triangle is given with the vertices A 0 0, B 1 7 and C 5 1. Find the perpendicular distance from the point A 0 0 to the side BC. So I am taking AP is the perpendicular distance to BC from A. So for this, first we have to calculate the line BC, that is equation of BC. For that we need slope of BC. Slope of BC, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So minus 6 by 4, that is minus 3 by 2. So we got this slope. Now equation of BC, y minus y1, I am taking this as y1, equal to minus 3 by 2 into x minus x1. 2y minus 14 equal to minus 3x plus 3. Bring it to left side. So 3x plus 2y minus 17 equal to 0. Now question is to find the length AP, that means the perpendicular distance. So AP equals, first we have to put this 0 0 in this line. So 0 plus 0 minus 17 by root of 3 square plus 2 square. So AP equal to the positive value 17 by 9 plus 4, root 13. So question is also asking to find the area of this triangle ABC. So first we got this perpendicular, and we know the area of triangle is half base into height. So we can calculate the area also. So first we have to calculate length of BC. So length of BC equal to root of y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So root 36 plus 16 equal to 6 plus 6, 12, for 52, root 52. Now area equal to, area of triangle equal to half base into height. Half base into height. Now this we can write as 52 is 13 into 4. So root 13 into root 4 into 17 by root 13. So root 13 cancel, and root 4 is 2. So 2 and 2 getting cancelled. So answer is 17 square unit. So area of the triangle is 17 square unit. I hope it is clear. So try to practice similar questions. We'll see tomorrow.